Hello, guys. My name is Paulina, and today we're going to talk about how to implement Universal Analytics to the website and start collecting data. In the last video, we created an account, and I promised that we're going to continue learning Universal Analytics in the next video. So we stopped at this point when we saw tracking ID of their analytics and the global site tag. Today, we're gonna learn how to implement a global site tag manually or to implement analytics via GTM. I'm gonna show you these two options on my example on my website that I created on the platform of the WordPress. And if you use another CMS platform for your website, you're gonna find the instructions how to get to their source code on their support page of the CMS platform. But I hope that my example will be clear for you too. So let's start. I'm going to copy the global site tag. And first of all, I will start from the code implementation, and then we're going to go to the GTM option. So I copied the global site tag, the full one, and I'm going to my website. I'm going to the admin panel of the website. I'm going to appearance, to theme file editor. The most important for you is to get to header PHP because it doesn't matter if you use WordPress or as a CMS platform. It's important just to get to the head part of the website, and you can see it's the opening tag and the closing tag. So I need to implement somewhere in between. So you can see that I click enter and I will paste it somewhere here, and I can immediately update the file. To verify if analytics was implemented on the website correctly, you just need to get back to the Google Analytics and you need to go to the clock tab. You can see here the text real time, and you're going to overview. There is an email communications appearing all the time, but you can uncheck all and save. And what I wanted to show you that you can see here and one active user on the website. It's me right now, but at least information is coming through from that code. So that's how can we verify that Google Analytics account and our website is connected. The second option, how to implement analytics if you are not able to reach to the code of your website, you just need to use GTM. So I will open GTM, my GTM account. And here you can see that I already have this account created. If you want to know how to create this account, please open our YouTube channel and you're going to find there a video with their step-by-step instruction how to do that. And today we already have this account implemented on the website, so I can show you the option of their Google Analytics implementation via GTM. So how to do that? I'm going back to Analytics. So I already verified that it's working by code implementation. So just to be sure that the information is coming not through the code, I will remove the code that I implemented with you. Just give me a second. So I will have no code in my in the source code of my website. And let me update the file. Okay, it thinks. And yes, file edited successfully. So I have no code right now on my website. Yeah, and now I'm going to Google Tag Manager. I'm going to tags here. And there, I need to click to the new tag. I need to click on the tag configuration, and here should be the option Google Analytics Universal Analytics, because we are still talking about UA version, UA property. I click here. Here we stay with the track type page view, and then we are going, the most important moment here, please pay attention to that we need to connect GTM with analytics. So we click here, select settings variable, and we click new variable, and you're gonna find you're gonna reach out to their variable type already Google Analytics settings. And here you can see their empty field with tracking ID. So what I need to do is just to paste the tracking ID of my account here. So I'm going to analytics. I'm gonna put myself to the top a bit and then I'm gonna click on their admin. I'm gonna click on the tracking info, tracking code. Yeah, this email communication is a bit irritating, but they want to send the information to me, to my email, definitely. Anyway, we reached to the tracking code. I copy tracking ID and I'm coming to the GTM. I'm pasting here tracking ID. I save, and you can paste the same number here or Google Analytics settings the same as you wish. So you can, for example, put like this, GA settings, save. So we have the tech configuration field, page view, and here the created variable that we did just now. And then we are going to the triggering options. As soon as we have it here, you can see copy and paste this code as the first item into the head of every web page you want to track. As soon as we want to track every page of our website, in the trigger option, I'm sorry, I chose the wrong one. In the trigger option, we're going to choose already predefined trigger, already created trigger in this account. It's going to be all pages. We click here and we have our tag created. So we click save and let it be Google Analytics, to make it a bit shorter, UA, save. And we have it created, but the most important moment in GTM that it's not going to be live until you're going to submit the changes and publish them. Publish, and then you can name a version. So for example, GA Universal Implementation. Yeah, so I will name it like this. And then I click continue. The version is named, and how to check that it's working. First of all, I'm going to the workspace back and I want to preview if the tag is firing. So I'm going to connect to my website in preview mode to see if the tag is firing every time the page is loaded. And you're going to see here that tags fired. Yeah, and we have Google Analytics UA fired for us. So the information should go through the analytics. And here we can see in the real time that information is coming. You can see per second that 30 seconds ago the another event happened, so the another user landed to our website. It was still me, but still we have the information coming through to the account. So right now we verified that our account is working, our account is implemented on the website, and the information is coming through. I congratulate you if you tried yourself as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you there. Bye.